My name is Dhruv Gajjar from Kalol, India. My research paper topic name is Novel Technique to Hide Identity of Alina Malware, where Alina is the name of the malware, and by novel technique to hide identity, I mean I have uses different approaches to hide the identity of Alina malware and the different ways for to get the different results. Basically, what is encryption? In the cryptography, encryption is the way towards encoding data. This cycle changes over the primary portal of the data known as plain text into an elective structure such as cybertext. What is malware? A laptop infected in any of such application that's while executing copies itself through converting different laptops packages and embedding its very own code. If the replication succeeds, the affected region are then predicted to be corrupted with the laptop disease. Now, work of the Alina malware. So for that, actually when once executed, receives sets up at the user laptops an assessment for the asks for the updates. If an update is found, it removes the present Alina code and installs the trendy version. Then for the brand's pending new installation, it provides the report direction to an auto start run key to preserve and persistence. Finally, it provides java.exe to percentage app data percentage listing and executing its uses of the parameter Alina is equal to path to execute for the new installation, or Alina only .exe new exe for upgrade. Alina inspects the user techniques with assisting of Windows API calls such as create to help 32 snapshots, process 32 first, process 32 next. It also uses the Alina continues a blacklist of techniques. If there is no technique recorded within inside the blacklist, it makes up use of open process to study the n technique, the content within side the remain side dump. Once the information is scrapped, Alina sends it to CC command and center servers. The usage of an HTTP post command. This is hard coded in the binary. What is encrypting malware? A scramble is a laptop containment that encodes its payload with the aim of creating supporting the containment greater troubleshoot in any cases due to affecting something encoded. Decreasing a decryptor or a key, an antivirus can make use of decryptor usage because the method of discovery. Now, how does it works? Encryption. Basically, encrypting the malware is a technique to provide the prevention of the malware from the antivirus. Mainly can be done by many of the different methods which I have shown below in the simulation part. In the practical, how to prevent, basically normal prevention of any of the antivirus or malwares are, we should utilize a firewall to avoid all the incoming near institution from the net to administration. That outage now no longer to be overly accessible. Authorize a mystery key approach. Guarantee that the task and customers of the laptop makes use of the maximum minimum diploma of the blessings crucial to complete an errand. Cripple autoplay to stop the program dispatching of the executing facts on organization and deactivable drives. Voice list now no longer wished. Mood killer documents sharing if no longer required. Mood killer and put off administration. In occasion that a chance abuse at least one organization benefits, impair or blocks administration to the one's administration till a repair is applied. Continues live up with the latest specifics on laptops which have public administration and are to be had via the firewall. For example, HTTP, FTP, mail, and DNS administration. Arrange your email employees to or hinder or put off the email that includes record connection which might be usually used to unfold risk. For example, .vbs, .bats, .exe, .eif, src facts. Schedule beginner laptop hesitiously to preserve risks from spreading further. Train the perspective how now no longer to open the connection besides if they may be waiting for them. On the office that the Bluetooth is not with for the mobile caller phone, it is must be killed. Actually, the simulation part it will be seen better from the research paper. So actually, first of them, this is the original file malware scan report, where it shows that the malware is 100% scanned. This is the virus total scan of the original file, where it has scanned in the 56 files out of 71. Now this is the scan after the all the approaches are applied. This is by changing the extension, means we have tried to convert it in the zip, and we got it detected only in the 43 out of 59. This by packing method. Packing is a way of hiding the malware techniques, one of the malware analyzing techniques, where we get 42 out of 67. This is splitting and joining method. This is the method where we divide this virus into the small chunks and then we finally join it, leaving the last part, where we got 27 out of 68. By hybrid method of 3 of them, we got 4 out of 58. This is by importing the malware exe into another exe and making it exe. We got 7 out of 66. Here by extension and exe method, means after converting extension we converted it to zip and we got 3 out of 57. Lastly, we got 8 out of 67 when we tried packing and splitting method, splitting and joining method together. Conclusion: the experimental process concluded in order to encrypt the laptop malware to get prevented from its impact. First process starts with the malware analyzed to know more about the malware working. Second process starts with using of different method, changing extension, packing, splitting and joining, hybrid exe and extension, and exe which can hide identity of alien malware. The third stage to protect the laptop from the kind of malware which works related to the updated and other services. Uses of the malware are solved by possible solutions shown above. Thank you. But yeah, now here are the some of the malware analyzing which are not in the PPT. But for example, we got this XML encoding code in the malware scanner. Then in the depend, we got this malicious strings in the malware. Static usage of the malware call functions and everything we got here.